Hello ninjas in the Ninja Nation. This is Peter Parneg. Today Larry Kendall and I were talking about what is the best way a ninja can approach the current situation. As you know, the world health situation right now is like no other that we've really ever experienced. There's a mountain of technical information about the coronavirus out there. So today we just want to address how we deal with the business side of this equation as ninjas. The degree of uncertainty about the future concerning both the health and the economic world situation is already having a significant impact on our industry. So here are some of our thoughts on our best courses of action as ninjas. Let's start, if you can remember, what we learned about crucial conversations in the ninja installation. For there to be a crucial conversation, 3 elements must be in place. The first, emotions are high. The second, stakes are high. And third, there's a difference of opinion. The current situation undoubtedly qualifies, which means we will all be having repeated, ongoing, crucial conversations while this situation progresses. If you recall, what we learned about handling those conversations is that we do 2 things when we find ourselves in a crucial conversation. The first, make it safe. The second, make it clear. Our recommendation right now is to avoid voicing an opinion or trying to calm people down. Our recommendation is when a client calls you up with any concern, whether it's a buyer asking if it's a good time to buy, a seller asking it's a good time to sell, up to and including even a purchaser or a buyer or a seller wanting to back out of a current purchase agreement, what we suggest is that you go ninja and just ask them to share with you all of their concerns. Underscore, just listen and don't try to fix it. Right now, compassion and understanding are essential. Every person has an individual tolerance for risk that right now is driving their decision-making process and their emotions. Let them talk them through and acknowledge their feelings. When they have finished with their thoughts, use the key ninja concept of sharing choices and the consequences associated with those choices, and then let them decide the course of action that really best suits their style and their current emotions. In this case, we have to truly use our core ninja principles. Number 1, detach from the outcome. Number 2, be a step-down transformer, which, if you recall, means take the drama out of the situation, don't add to it. Another way we want to put it is, let's educate people and don't alarm them. By educate, we mean just educate the customer about their choices, and remember, don't spin the consequences. We think that the very best contribution we can make right now is to be a proactive, trusted advisor. To be sure, now is a great time to proactively call everyone you know and just ask them how they're feeling. No need to interject your opinion, but give them the wonderful gift of a great listen. And to finish, being a proactive, trusted advisor means choices and consequences, not advice on the future, the news, your opinion on the realities of this. A great way to earn trust is to be present and listen. So finally, as ninjas, we really believe we can be the calming influence in the middle of this storm. Thank you so much for being on the Ninja Path with us, and thank you for being a part of the Ninja Nation. If you wouldn't mind, do us a favor. Put your comments below the video. Here's what we believe. The Ninja Nation is large, and we have a lot of influence over the people that we serve. We do believe that if we go forward appropriately, we can make a difference in how the business side of this unfolds for the people that we deal with. And remember, this too shall pass.